are mesmerizing, but we keep our distance as they shift unpredictably. Falling spatter is now building up large cones and ramparts along the uphill side of the fissure. Large, fast-moving flows head down slope, plowing through homes, farms, and forests. On May 19th, the first flows reached the ocean. Fissure 17 opens and is like nothing that has ever erupted on Kilauea before. The main part of the bend is fountain, but the upper edge erupts periodically with tremendous explosions. The lava is highly viscous, and the fountains pulse as they burst, feeding a slow-moving, like lava flow. Here is Fissure 17 from the air, with the main vent feeding a flow, and the uprift end producing steam-filled bursts, but little lava. During these explosions, nearby houses are pelted with huge hot falling rocks. Some of the spatter bombs fly hundreds of feet in the air and leave scorched craters when they hit the ground. One watcher, a resident, is injured by falling rocks, but all other residents wisely evacuate. A cone is building over the main vent, which continues to produce advancing lava flow for more than a week. The molten lava is so stiff that it is remarkably hard to sample.